Khosi family, amakhosi amahle family, namhlanje siqala ivideo yethu ngey'ndaba edabukisayo. Namhlanje we received the news that Jayden Adams has passed away. Bafowethu, we send our deepest condolences to his family, his partner, and everyone related to him. Here's one thing I would like to say. Please, if you have someone close to you, especially men are going through a lot. Please go check on them. Just make sure they are fine, because they can act fine in front of your face, but if I say umjisa, he's going through a lot, and the only solution akanayo is to take his life. But then, yeah, make sure to check on someone that is close to you, your brother, your friend, anyone, because men are going through a lot. Without further ado, Bafethu, I have some updates on Kaizer Chiefs transfer market as it's going crazy. I have some updates on Lilepo Saka. I have big updates on Pili story. Big updates on Sbongiseni Mthethwa and more players renewing their contracts at Kaizer Chiefs. So make sure Bafethu to stay tuned to the video, watch the whole video, and let's just jump straight into it together. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakhosi Stand Podcast. This is where ozithola khona zishisa. I am your host Manqoba Nqobo, all the way from Egresa. Namhlanje bafethu nginiphathele zona zishisa. As you all know, you know the vibe, bafethu. If you want more, if you like my videos and you want more, please make sure you like this video, comment down below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. As you can see, bafethu, I'm not in a good mood because of the news of passing away of Jayden Adams, but we have to get through it and do what we have to do. But yeah, I'm not in a good mood, but because I have some updates for Kaizer Chiefs, I had to do the video. I had to inform you guys of what is happening lapha eNatural. So in yesterday's video, we touched on Ulilepo and the saga of his transfer, right? Yeah, the saga is still there. His agent is still pushing the move. His agents want Lilepo to move from Kaizer Chiefs to join another club, and the club is somewhere in North Africa. So like about Egypt, about Morocco, somewhere there in the north of Africa. So Lilepo is set to sign with Northern African side. This is sad, but what I like about Kaizer Chiefs, they don't wanna just let him go for free, because his agent is pushing for his contract termination, so Lilepo can be a free agent. But Kaizer Chiefs, they don't want 10 million for Lilepo. They don't want Lilepo to go for free. They want 20 million and above. So I think that's a good business. I think that's a Kaizer Chiefs management are doing a good thing by doing that, because we can't just let a good player like Lilepo just go for free or for less money because we are desperate. If they are not willing to pay the money, then Lilepo must stay Chiefs, and run off his contracts. That's the case. If he's not happy at Kaizer Chiefs, he don't want to stay at Kaizer Chiefs, fine. The club that wants him must pay the money. If not, Lilepo has to stay at Kaizer Chiefs and run off his contract. It's simple. Because there is a breaching of contracts, because they sign contracts bavumelana ukuthi he will be a player of Kaizer Chiefs for a certain years. Now they wanna terminate the contract because there is a club that wants him. That's not how it works. The contract binds you together. Niyavumelana ukuthi in this contract we agree on terms of the contract. So if when you wanna terminate the contract, this means we are breaching the rules of the contract. So yeah, that's it with the Lilepo saga. And I wanna ask you guys, if kwenzeka uLilepo egcine ehambile, who do you think Kaizer Chiefs should sign to replace uLilepo? Because uLangelihle Phili khumbula ukuthi he's more of a left winger. So on a right winger will be more weaker because we'll be left with Umfundo Vilakazi, who's more of a natural right wing. So I think Kaizer Chiefs, if Lilepo goes, they should really find someone to replace him. And tell me down in the comment ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi ubani who can be a good replacement of Ulilepo. So let's move on to another big stories that came today and confirmed by Umazola. The big progress of Ulangelihle Phili. Langelihle Phili, negotiations are going through, and there's a big progress. As a player, one would be glad to join the team, will be happy to join Kaizer Chiefs, as he will want to start a new chapter, and also Ashley Dupreez will be happy to rejoin Stellenbosch, as they've reached their terms with the player. So it's up to the clubs now. We'll see how they are sorting the deal out, because Kaizer Chiefs wanna include Ulangelihle Phili on Ashley Dupreez swipe deal, yeah, or transfer or whatever. So there's a big progress, and chances of seeing Ulangelihle Phili at Kaizer Chiefs are increasing daily and daily. So I don't think I think I don't know if many of you guys are happy that Dupreez is leaving for Ulangelihle Phili, or you are happy that the deal is happening. For me personally, I said even yesterday, I am happy with getting Langelihle Phili and swiping him with Ashley Dupreez. That's the progress on Phili's story. Inkulumo ziyaqhubeka, talks are ongoing, and the progress is big, and ama-chances okubona uPhili maningi kakhulu next season eNaturen. Now let's move on. Usibongiseni Mthethwa naye with his agent have been talking with Kaizer Chiefs, trying to extend his contract, and Sibongiseni Mthethwa is willing to cut off his salary somehow, so he can stay at Kaizer Chiefs, because obviously he loves Kaizer Chiefs, he loves to stay there. So Kaizer Chiefs and his agent baseyingxoxweni to extend his contracts. I don't know with how many years. I don't have details for the contracts, but he's the one player that Kaizer Chiefs won't let go easily, and yeah, I think he'll be staying at Kaizer Chiefs. Another player who's set to sign his contract, it hasn't been confirmed yet, but Bulemode is likely to add 1 more year on his contract at Kaizer Chiefs, to stay 1 more year. And yeah, it's happening, guys, and I'm happy with these decisions they are making. And ucoach usekhona lapha, shuthi ucoach yeah, usebonile amanye ama-player somehow, but I'm happy they are making these decisions, and coach is there. Ebengingekho happy ngawo ilawa kade enzeka ucoach engakafiki. Uyabona nje usefike wathi uThabo Cele he's not on his plan. Yabo kuningi. What if lama player abawasayinisile before coach efika, they are not in coach's plan? So yeah, these ones I'm happy because coach is here, he's involved. Another player who left Kaizer Chiefs is Fiacre Ntware, who will be joining Kruger United. It has been confirmed he'll be joining Kruger United on a loan deal for 1 year. So Fiacre Ntware wants to have more game time. He'll be playing with the newly promoted team, Kruger United. So Bafethu, I think that's all I have for you today. But yeah, I am sad Bafethu with the passing of Adams. Let's hope his family will heal, and everyone related to him. Thank you Bafethu for watching. Please do comment down below ngitshela ukuthi ngicabanga ngani ngey'ndaba ebenginiphasele zona namhlanje. Till I see you on another one. Danko Bafethu.